Hello everyone. We bring some updates from the Golfcraft team for the map editor. So I have a simple map here to explain to you the new stuff. So what we bring is runtime expressions and interactive components. For example, a button that when it's hit with the ball, it can affect other parts. For example, to show or to hide them. So right away, I'm going to show you an example. I duplicate this part. I select a wall. I'm going to move it. Sometimes disappear and I have to rotate it. Okay. So now I'm going to put another component, the new component, which is a switch button. Okay, this is like the switch button we can find in web, which can have two values, true or false. In our case, it can also be red or green. And in the right panel, we have some new properties. One is a variable name. So I'm going to put here variable name switch1 for this switch component. Okay, and on the left side, we added a new button for advanced expressions. So what we are going to do is to initialize this variable with a value. Here we can write whatever we want, any value we want to the control to be initialized. We can write complex expression here, but right now we are going simple, and we want this to be initialized to false, and we have to tell that this is an initial assignment. This means that this expression will be executed when the map is loaded. So we save it, we close. Okay, and now the wall. Also, we have a new property here in the right panel, which is ignore. Here we can write an expression that when it's evaluated to true, it will make the wall disappear. So here I'm going to write if switch 1 is true, it will disappear and we can go on with the ball. So I'm going to put another component. Another new component we added is text. So we can write here whatever we want. So I'm going to put it above and I'm going to write some text here. For example, to pass green. I'm going to do a trick here. To pass color red, green, blue. To pass green. And we want the same here. We want this to be hidden once the switch is true. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this text and put a different text here. For example, go ahead, and the expression to hide it will be the opposite. So switch 1 equal false. We can also put or don't equal true, for example. Be aware that these are JavaScript expressions. You don't need to learn the complete JavaScript language, just the expressions. But I think it's quite easy. It's just these logic operators. We can also use, for example, greater than, if this variable is greater than 2 or 3 or 4 and stuff like that. I think that's pretty much all. So we are going to save, we go out, now we are going to test our map. We wait for load. Okay, and here it is. So we see that the text is there, not the other text, the wall, and as soon as we hit the switch button, we see the other text appear, and we can go ahead with our ball. And if we hit again, it will return to the previous status. And that's pretty much all for now. So in other video, we will show more complex cases. This new feature brings a ton of possibilities for the builders. Basically, what we added is interactivity to the maps and not just a set of solid parts. So thanks everyone that follow us, and see you at Golfcraft. Bye bye.